Working on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and today I'm going to be giving it an oil change and replacing the wipers. And it's starting to pour down with rain right now. Unfortunately, if I waited for decent weather, I would never get anything done. I'm using the STP S9018R oil filter and the STP high mileage 5W30 oil. And I like the Rain-X conventional wipers. I'm using those as well. On an upcoming video, I am installing my high performance ZZP oversized radiator. So I'm really looking forward to that one. The car currently has 364,233 miles on it. So let me pull this up on the ramps and get started before it starts getting me drenched. Let me get underneath this car, start draining the oil. Throw a piece of cardboard down so I don't get soaking wet. The drain plug takes a 15 millimeter. Tighten this back up, and it does not have to be crazy tight. Torque it down to factory specification. To remove the oil filter housing lid, it takes a specialty 1 1/4 inch socket. It's low profile. I always like to look at the old filter, look at the condition, make sure there isn't no sparklies in there. You can tell a lot about the condition of an engine by looking at the oil filter. I'm going to be using the STP S9018R oil filter. What I love about these is they always come with a new O-ring. So to remove the O-ring, there's a little divot here that you put a pick in or a small screwdriver and just pull it out. I typically replace these every time, but you really probably only need to replace it every other time. I know with some oil filters, you actually have to buy these separately. put a thin layer of oil on there. Help it seal. Get it back in the groove. Put on the STP oil filter. Always start this off by hand. Definitely don't want to cross thread it. This does not have to be crazy tight either, but you definitely want to make it nice and snug and torque it down to factory specification. Alright, remove the ZZP billet aluminum oil filler cap. This is one of my favorite upgrades. And then I love the ZZP coil pack cover. Put in the funnel. Pour in the STP 5W30 high mileage oil. Replace the oil filler cap. Alright, now time to back it off the ramp. Now I'm going to reset the oil life monitor. To reset the oil life monitor, turn the key to the run position. Press down on the gas pedal 3 times. Turn the key off. Turn the key back to the run position. And it's reset at 100%. Now, in order to replace the windshield wipers, I'm going to turn the windshield wipers on and let them get to their highest position and then turn the car off. That makes it a little bit easier to replace them. Now, I'm going to check the oil and check for leaks and do all that after I replace the windshield wipers. I'm using the Rain X Expert Fit, and the driver's side takes a 22 inch and the passenger side takes a 17 inch. Take off your old wiper, just turn it upside down, give it a good hit, and it comes right off. It fits right in that groove right there. This is going to make a dramatic difference in visibility. Just fits right in there like that. There we go. Turn it the long way, give it a little hit. And this wiper has definitely seen better days. And this side takes a 17 inch. And that is changing your oil and your wipers on a 2009 Chevy Cobalt. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love working on the car in the rain. It is truly my favorite.